What if I told you that one of the biggest opportunities on YouTube right now is documentary content, and most people still have no idea how powerful this niche really is? Channels are getting millions of views by turning simple ideas into cinematic stories that people can't stop watching. And one of the best examples is Fern, the channel behind those viral documentary videos everyone's watching right now. Their videos feel professional, cinematic, and incredibly engaging, the kind of content that keeps viewers glued to the screen until the very end. But here's the crazy part. Today, videos like these can be created using free AI tools. What once required researchers, editors, designers, and scriptwriters can now be done by one person with the right system. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how these documentary-style videos are made step by step. From finding powerful topics and writing high-retention scripts to creating cinematic visuals, editing, and building videos that feel truly professional. So if you've ever wanted to create content that gets real views, builds a loyal audience, and has long-term earning potential, then watch carefully, because this might be the opportunity you've been looking for. Before we continue with the tutorial, I want you to watch this short video so you can quickly understand what you're going to learn in this tutorial.
March 18th. 3:47 in the morning. A commercial passenger jet carrying 214 people is crossing the skies above Eastern Europe when something impossible happens. The aircraft suddenly disappears, not from one radar system, from all civilian tracking systems simultaneously. Air traffic controllers lose the signal instantly. Communication attempts receive nothing but silence. Within moments, military coordination channels across multiple countries activate in emergency mode. Because in modern aviation, planes are not supposed to simply vanish.
I've already created a master template prompt that will help us generate video scripts, create images, and even convert them into cinematic scenes using perfect camera movement prompts. Now, open ChatGPT. Once you've opened it, go to the Google Docs file and copy the first prompt. This is a fairly long prompt, so make sure you copy the entire thing without missing any part. After copying it, paste the prompt into the ChatGPT prompt box and click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will start generating 10 viral video script ideas for you. Go through the ideas carefully and choose the one you like the most. For this example, I'm going to select the plane that vanished for 35 minutes. Once you've selected your idea, copy it and paste it back into ChatGPT again. Now you'll see ChatGPT instantly begin writing a complete video script for your documentary-style video. Now that you have your full script, the next step is to open a new ChatGPT chat so we can continue in a clean workspace. After that, go back to your Google Docs file and copy the second prompt. Make sure you copy the entire prompt carefully because it's also quite long and every part of it is important for the workflow to function correctly. Once copied, paste it into the new ChatGPT chat and click Generate. At this stage, ChatGPT will automatically understand the instruction and begin analyzing your script in detail. To make this easier to understand, we'll split everything into two tabs. One tab will show your full script, and the other will be a new ChatGPT chat. In the new ChatGPT chat, all you need to do is take your script and copy it in small sections. Then paste each section into ChatGPT one by one. The tool will automatically convert each part into image prompts for you. Make sure you go through the entire script step by step. Copy a small section, paste it, let it generate the result, and then continue with the next part until the full script is completed. This process may take a little time, but it ensures everything is converted properly and nothing is missed. Now open Google Flow AI and start a new project. After that, go back to your new ChatGPT chat where you generated the image prompts. Start copying those image prompts one by one and paste them into Flow AI to generate your images. Take your time with this process because each prompt will create an important visual for your video. Make sure you don't skip anything and generate all the necessary images so your final video looks complete and professional. Once you're done, you'll be able to see all the images you created inside Flow AI, ready for the next stage of your video editing workflow. I used Google Flow AI to convert the images into cinematic videos. First, upload the image you want to turn into a video. Once the image has been uploaded successfully, make sure to add that image into the prompt section as a reference. Next, go back to your Google Docs file. At the end of the document, you'll find several cinematic camera movement prompts. Copy any camera movement prompt you like and paste it into the Flow AI prompt box. After that, click Generate. Now wait a few seconds while Flow AI processes the scene. Once the generation is complete, your cinematic video clip will be ready. You'll need to repeat the same process for all the remaining images. Upload the image, add a cinematic camera movement prompt, generate the video, and continue until all your scenes are converted into cinematic clips. As you can see here, I've already created a few cinematic videos using this exact method. Now open DupDub and click on the Text-to-Speech option under the Product section. This will take you to a clean interface where you'll see a large script box. Now go back to your ChatGPT script, copy the entire video script, and paste it into this box inside DupDub AI. On the right-hand side, you will see an option for More VoiceOver. Click on it and a pop-up will appear showing different AI voice options. Go through them carefully and choose the one that best fits your video style and tone. After selecting your preferred AI voice, click on the Export option. Choose MP3 as the format, then click Export again. Once the process is complete, save the voiceover file to your device, so it's ready for editing in the next step. Now for the final step, open CapCut and import both the voiceover file and all the video clips you generated. Once everything is imported, first drag the voiceover file onto the timeline. After that, start adding your video clips one by one, making sure each clip matches the part of the script being spoken. Try to use visuals that clearly support the message and story of the narration so the documentary feels more engaging and professional. If any clip feels too long, you can trim it or slightly increase the speed to better match the pacing of the voiceover. Continue adjusting each scene carefully until the visuals flow smoothly with the narration. Next, add on-screen text and titles to make the video look more polished and documentary style. You can also include subtitles, labels, or highlighted keywords to improve viewer engagement and retention. Don't forget to use sound effects throughout the video. I personally used many of the built-in sound effects available inside CapCut to make the scenes feel more immersive and cinematic. Also add background music, but make sure to keep the music and sound effects volume low so the voiceover remains clear and easy to understand. Once your editing is complete, select all the clips and create a compound clip. Then slightly zoom in or zoom out if needed to hide any visible watermarks or unwanted edges. Finally, review the entire video from beginning to end and check if there are any scenes that need small adjustments or tweaks. If everything looks good, export the final video in 4K quality, and your documentary-style AI video is ready to upload.
March 18th, 3:47 in the morning. A commercial passenger jet carrying 214 people is crossing the skies above Eastern Europe when something impossible happens. The aircraft suddenly disappears. Not from one radar system, from all civilian tracking systems simultaneously. Air traffic controllers lose the signal instantly. Communication attempts receive nothing but silence. Within moments, military coordination channels across multiple countries activate in emergency mode. Because in modern aviation, planes are not supposed to simply vanish.
I hope this tutorial helped you learn something new and gave you a clear step-by-step process to follow for your own videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what type of AI tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.